Sometimes you'll find stormwater issues in places your SWPPP never mentioned, and on the OHST exam, and in the real world. Your job isn't to argue with the plan, it's to protect the environment and control the discharge before it becomes a violation. When sediment-laden stormwater starts flowing towards a drain, even in an area not listed in the SWPPP, the source is still your construction activity, and that means the discharge is still your responsibility. The exam expects you to recognize that not in the plan does not equal not your problem. It may be tempting to say, well, the SWPPP doesn't call for controls here, so we're covered. But that thinking leads to violations. The OHST exam loves to test this. Ignoring a visible discharge is never acceptable. The correct decision is always to install BMPs immediately, like wattles, silt socks, or temporary berms, to stop the discharge. Once the area is controlled, you notify the appropriate site manager or environmental lead to revise the SWPPP, so the fix becomes permanent. The exam wants you to think like a safety and environmental professional. Act fast to prevent violations, then bring the paperwork up to speed. That's the difference between following a plan and understanding the responsibility behind it. If this helped sharpen your OHST stormwater judgment, subscribe to Field to Compliance for more fast, field-ready exam training.